Crafting with Miss D. Today we're going to take a look at the Build-A-Bear Workshop website. We will shop for items that we are interested in purchasing, and then we will add the total to find how much both items would cost in all. So get ready to shop with me. I would like to take a look at the stuffed animals first. Ooh, they're so cute. Oh, look at this. There's a fuzzy bunny. Oh, it says that this item is not currently available. That means I can't order this one. Let's keep on shopping. Oh, yes. I love to see this little baby deer. It's so cute. It's $22, so I'll need to add that price to the board. Next, let's find another item that we would like to buy. What would get along well with a deer? Oh, a fox and a deer would live near each other. I don't know if they would necessarily be friendly. I would have to research that. But they both are animals in the woods, and I do enjoy that. Looks like the fox is $22 also. Let me add that price to the board as well. Oh, it looks like the math fact we created is 22 plus 22. Now we're going to use the base 10 blocks to help us find the total. We'll place the base 10 blocks under the number, and then we'll count to find the price that we owe. I noticed that there's a 2 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. Since we're adding the same number, I could repeat that process. There's a 2 in the tens place, and there's a 2 in the ones place. To help us with our counting, we will add the 10 sticks first, and then we'll add the ones blocks. Those are the orange ones. Count them with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. Get ready to count on. 41, 42, 43, 44. 22 plus 22 is 44. That means it would cost $44 for us to buy the deer and the fox. I'll put my tools back into their home. That way I am ready to go shopping again and find a couple new things that I would like to get. We'll erase, clear our board, make it nice and squeaky clean, and let's go shopping. Let's see what else we have here. How to train your dragon. Oh my. Oh yes, we need this. I remember seeing this movie. Here's a character from How to Train Your Dragon. It costs $29. So I'll add that price to the board. Let's see if I can find another item that could go well with it. Maybe I'll stick with the movie theme. Oh, they're out of stock, the ones that I like. That's all right, I can keep on shopping and find something different. Frozen, I like that movie too. Oh my goodness. These look great. I think I would like to go with this one. Do you recognize this character from the movie? Looks like he costs $35. Let me add that price to the board. To find the total, you know what we've got to do. We need to use our tools to show both prices. It looks like there's a 2 in the tens place and a 9 in the ones place. To make this number 35, it looks like we have a 3 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. To find the total, we will first count the tens and then we will add on the ones. Get ready to count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Whoa. I have to write little. I didn't leave much space for myself there. But it looks like it would cost $64 to pick out both of those Build-A-Bear stuffed animals. I'll put my supplies back into their home. That way we can keep on shopping. Luckily, it's just pretend, so we can keep shopping as many times as we would like. Let's go for it. What else can we find? Ooh, it looks like there's an accessories section. That sounds awesome. An Easter basket? That looks perfect. An Easter basket that is unicorn themed. It costs $15. So let me add that price to the board. Now we just have to see if there is a unicorn stuffed animal to go with this. It just wouldn't seem right to not do that. Yes! Llamacorn, unicorn, Stardust unicorn, My Little Pony unicorn. My goodness, I can't decide. Ooh. Ooh. Well, it looks like the My Little Pony one has some hair. So I think I want to go with this one. Oh yeah. I see purple and blue on there, both my favorite colors. $28. I can handle that. All right, looks like our prices, we have 15 and 28. Let's build our numbers with our manipulatives. Ooh, 1 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time for 28, it looks like I have a 2 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. Now you know what to do. We need to find the total. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So it looks like it will cost $43 if I would like to get the unicorn with the basket. Let's put our tools back into their home. Just sliding these to the bottom. When you put your tools away, it makes it really easy for you to be ready to make the next math fact. Let's see what we've got going on here. Ooh, there's different collections. Clothing. That sounds like it's something for me. Ooh, a white bunny costume? Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's just great. You can't even deny it. A stuffed animal wearing a suit, and it's $15. We need to add that price to our list. And then now I need to find a character to purchase who could wear it. We'll go into the stuffed animal section. No, I'm not going to pick a bunny to be a bunny. We'll pick something different. Oh. I see so many options. Oh my, look. This grizzly bear looks really excited. See, he's even holding up his hand just like he's telling us that he wants to wear that costume. And it looks like he costs $20, so let me add that price to our board. All right, time to build the numbers. I've got a 1 in the tens place, a 5 in the ones place. To make the number 20, I have 2 in the tens place. Oh, there's a 0 in the ones place, so I do not need any extra cubes to make that number. Just like normal, we're going to work to find the total. How much does it cost in all? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. It looks like it's going to cost $35 for those 2 items. Congratulations on all of your hard work. I'm so proud of you challenging yourself at home. We'll slide these back down, back to where they belong. Your challenge on your own, can you go with a family member to visit the Build-A-Bear Workshop website? You can pick 2 items that you would be interested in buying. Make sure that each number that you select is a number that has an even price. So there shouldn't be any change. So if there's $48.50, that has changed. So don't use those, but use the prices that have an even value, like $40, $63, the ones that look like that. So challenge yourself. You can make your own math fact at home. I can't wait to hear about what you come up with. Until next time, see you later. Hello, Holly. How are you? Are you saying hello? Yes. Hi, girl. Holly just wanted to say that she's so excited and so proud. She's very excited because it's almost her dinner time. Do you see her little food bowl over there? Here she goes. Well, until next time, we'll see you later. Have a good day, friends.